This is my new case for my Colorsoft. It is suitable for other variations of Kindle as well. Just check the listing. I've got a Colorsoft which I absolutely love. Love reading my comics and things like that on there. Amazing. This is a new case that I picked up to give it a little bit of a spring look. You got on there is a nice pattern on there. I think it comes in like 7 different patterns. You're gonna find something you really like. I also like the black as well, but I wanted something pattern on it so I could see it when I'm looking. Opening it up there, you've got you've got the inside. On the one side, you've got the hand strap. Really good if you are, like maybe you want to read on the train or the bus or what have you, and you just want to make sure you've got a firm grip of it. Or maybe in the bath you want to have it like that, because we all read it in the bath, don't we? And then you've got the kickstand as well, which is really perfect if you just want to rest it while maybe it's charging on the side. It's a really nice way to have it. Or maybe if you want to lay on your side and have it on your bedside, you can do that way as well. Obviously some people do read that way as well, so you can have it that way too, and that's really nice. And also I like to, I've mentioned before, I like to read in bed, and I put this on my tummy and I just because I'm lazy. So that's that side. And then the inside, you've got this is a bit unusual, and this is why I picked it up. You've got these little rubber silicone little holders to hold your Kindle in place. So that's really interesting. And I bought this specifically for a reason as well, so I can use a remote. And there we go. She is all tucked in there, really nice. So that's there. You've also got a strap here as well, so you can tuck it nice and close. And there's also a pen loop, so if you do use a stylus with your Kindle or your e-reader, you've got a thing for a pen as well if you want to. But that looks really nice and smart. So perfect. Open it up there. You got it's nice and flush to the bottom, so you can do your charging, and it feels like it's really in there. So I think it's going to be no issues with this guy. How cute is that? So yeah, really like it, really smart, a nice pattern, does what it's supposed to do. I recommend it.